Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, I get to introduce to you my pet Angora rabbit. His name is Suzuki. This is his first time on YouTube and his first time in front of a camera. So say hi and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do an evening glamour eye makeup. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Thank you so much. See you later. Yeah, you go. Oh. Okay. All right then. Hi, as usual, I have got my primer. I have primer on my face and on my eyes because this is an evening look, so I always have primer. And I've got my foundation on. And I've done my eyebrows, so we're just going to concentrate on the eyes today. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Lash palette. It's got some beautiful colors here, and I'm going to use some of the shimmers here to create an evening glamour look. The first color I'm going to use is this one here, and I'm going to use this brush just to dab it all over my eyes. This one here. Just go all over the lid. The next color I'm going to use is this one here. This one is called Foreheart. Okay. Again, just building up the intensity. So just building the intensity. It's a narrower brush, and I'm going to do the lower lash line. And with the Foreheart, the same color here. You can also use this small brush to just tidy up the colors. I just love this small brush because I've got very small eye area, and the small brushes are just suits me perfect. So a different brush again. I want to build a bit more intensity inside the sockets. And to do that, I'm just going to use this one here, right at the bottom here. And the name for this one is DM Me. So this one is right into the socket. Yeah. Right into the socket. Can you see quite a bit of intensity? Right into the socket. And aiming at the corners as well. Into the socket and so corner and into the socket. So corner and into the socket. Right? And now I want to use my eyeliner. As usual, my favorite is Natio black eyeliner. I always use black because it magnifies my eyes. So on the lower lid, now that I've used the black eyeliner pencil on the lower lid, I'm going to be using the black eye crayon by Natio as well for my upper lid. I like the crayon for the upper lid because they just create just a little bit more depth and just give me a bigger line. Because you can see I draw quite a thicker line for the upper lashes. As usual, I always like to soften the black eyeliner by using a black eyeshadow. And this beautiful palette has got a lovely black, and right at the bottom here, you see right at the bottom here, there's a black here, which I'm going to use to soften my It's called Blindfolded, actually, this color. I'm just going to dab it across. With evening look, I tend to build up quite a few layers. And for a couple of reasons. Number one, then it just lasts all evening, the whole evening, when you go out. And the other two is just looks so much darker and stronger. You see, I soften it. And I'm just going to put a bit more, just on the corners. Softening the black eyeliner, both upper and lower lash line. Quite strong. I'm going to do the other eye. Now that I put the black eyeshadow just to soften my lines, I'm going to start building a bit of shimmer. And I'm going to use my fingers for the shimmers. And today for the shimmer, I'm going to use this one here. It's called Peacocking. It's a beautiful, beautiful green. It's a bit like an aqua green. Look, tap it here, right on the middle, right onto the middle. Can you see it right onto my middle here? So that when I close my lashes, it's got a beautiful shimmer. I'm right on the middle of the upper lid, right on the lid. Can you see that? Yeah, just really create quite a bit of drama. The other shimmer that I'm going to use today is this one here. This really like a dark egg green. And I think this one is called Temptation. This green here is beautiful. I'm going to use a different finger. Then this time with this green, I'm just going to go right to the inner corner of my eyes. So inner corner. It's a little brush like this. And I'm going to get this one here. This one here. It's called Hard to Get. Just put it on top of the green. The green doesn't seem to be coming through. Yeah, just put it on top of the green. That looks a lot better. With eyeshadow, you just play around with the color. With my finger, I'm just going to carry on with the blue. Beautiful blue. And I'm just going to put it all over the lids here. Yeah, just beautiful. See, I've created quite a shimmer. Now that I've added the shimmers, can you see when I flick my eyes down, it's got some beautiful shimmers. Just give my eyes some drama. And I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm just use a different brush. And right now I'm going to use Embrace Me here. Now I just want to blend everything together. And what I do is just softening everything together, but not covering my beautiful shimmer, but just softening everything together. And you can always add a bit more if you feel that it's not sitting right. And always have a look in the mirror if everything is sitting right, and you can always add a bit more and build it up. So I'm going to get a flat brush now. I'm going to do the bridge of my nose. And I'm just going to use that Embrace Me again. Just Embrace Me here. Yeah. It's just go from the top to the middle of my bridge of my nose, but not going all the way down. And now I'm just use my fingers and just going to tidy this up. So what I do is I just grab myself a tissue paper and I'm just going to tidy and blend it in and see whether I need to add a bit more or get rid of a bit more, just using my fingers. Just this very narrow slanted brush, and I'm just going to give my eyes a bit more pop and lift the eyes. So to do that, I'm just going to use this, the lightest I could find. Yeah, all tied up. So this one here, the lightest you can find. So I'm just going to lift my eyes. So this is what I usually do. This is my trick. Go to the edge of your brow and just follow the contour line of your brow. I'm just gonna, I'll tidy this up as when I finish. I will tidy this up when I finish. Can you see it's created quite a bit of a drama? So I will tidy this up. Just going to use this brush to tidy this up. So can you see by using the lightest color I could find and using a slanted brush and going along the edge of my eyebrow here, it's just lifted my eyes, just really create a bit more drama. So yeah, that's looking good. And today the mascara I'm using is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Mirror down. Do a slight jiggle and just let the brushes brush the lashes up. A lot of mascara these days have got are quite good at actually curling your lashes up. They're actually really well formulated, you know, the modern mascaras. See, they have already, you can, while the lashes are wet, you can put in as many strokes as you like, all right, to build up the thickness of your lashes. There you are, my eyes are done. So this is my evening glamour look for my eyes. And I'm just going to finish off today by using one of my favorite lipsticks by Nars called Vein. It's a beautiful red lipstick. I've already put on my Mecca Doctor lip enhancer before I do this. So, and what I do is I just let my lipstick sit for 5 minutes. Let the color just sit in there before I apply my lip gloss. My Stilla lip gloss, and the color is Synergy. I just love this very powder pink on top of a red. Just soften the red. So just use the colors to play around with colors, and you can soften it or make it darker. So there you are. Can you see that is the red is still there, the vibrancy of the red, but with the soft powder pink lip gloss, it just takes away the harshness. So here you are. I'm just going to remove this. My evening clever eye makeup tutorial by using the Too Faced Natural Last eyeshadow palette. My opinion is, after using this a couple of times now, the pigment is not as strong as I've hoped them to be, but that's okay. You just add a bit more. And the shimmers, they're not as strong. Yeah, I've used this a couple of times now. So, but it's just got so much colors that you can play around with. I'm particularly happy with the matte colors, the earthy matte colors. They're very good at building. The shimmers is not as pigmented as I hope them to be, but otherwise it's a great palette. It's got so many colors to play with. I mean, if the pigment is not enough, you just add more in, you know, just create more layers on your eyes. So there you are. Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked my video today, give me the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. All my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. So I will see you next time. Bye.